We have a guy up, but he's gonna start taking all the stuff down from the mast.
Yeah, I know.
And you have to tie ropes and ropes around to secure.
Are your CNC straps undone?
Yes.
No.
They have to go through there right there?
The two,
Yeah.
no, there's bolts, I think, right through
They're
it.
still through them?
They're still there.
Okay.
Okay, give me a little time.
Yep.
So they got all the stays on hook. The furler on hook. William is holding it up right now. And we're about to extract the whole mast. Well, they are.
After we going up, you walking forward.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh my goodness.
You came on tie?
It's another shorty.
You want one of the blue ones, Jose?
No, that's okay. That's, I put in a nice granny knot.
Oh, that's a beautiful granny knot, I can tell.
No, really, it's a good knot.
That's a good
It ain't gonna go anywhere.
It's almost a square knot, but it's not quite. It's a granny knot.
Okay, so
Yeah, so there was some bad connections. That's why none of that stuff was working.
Of course.
Good to know because they just put tape. Again, more tape, honey. We found a lot of tape.
Yeah, the mast is out. So now they're gonna put it down on that cart to be able to transport it and hook it to. That's a big mast, man. Huge. It's coming down slowly.
Use the spreader to push the mast onto the center part.
Yeah.
It's a 3-man, 4-man job. Well, 3.5 me included.